Ordinarily in this lab, I would take out a variety of mammals to look at the different types of pelage, that is, the types of fur that they have. And I would have you feel the fur and look at the fur and see whether it was soft or whether it was rough and so on. And that's kind of hard to do with a virtual lab. And I'm not going to subject you to having you look at photos of squirrel fur and fox fur and try to learn something from it. Not at this point anyway. We will be dealing with that later, and we will talk about some aspects of pelage when we deal with that. But I'm going to show you two mammals that have evolved similar solutions, similar adaptations to a particular type of life history, but they're very different mammals. Okay, now some of you might recognize this animal as an armadillo. Okay, they're found in parts of the southern United States, and there are many more species of them found in Central and South America. Okay, and you can see the type of body covering it has. It actually has some hair as well, okay, and around some of those plates and so on. Okay, so that's an armadillo. But I have another animal here for you to look at as well, and this is also a mammal. This is one of the most endangered mammals in the world right now. There are a number of different species of them. It's not all related to the armadillo. This is a pangolin, and you can see it's got a similar type of outer body covering, superficially similar at least. And it's got claws, it's got big claws for digging. It eats ants and other types of invertebrates, just like the armadillo does. Okay, but it's a totally different order of mammals to the armadillo. And see, the armadillo has claws for digging as well. Okay, so your assignment as part of this lab is to figure out what type of coat covering they have. What are their epidermal coverings made of? Okay, they've evolved similar adaptations to a particular type of lifestyle. That's a close-up of the head region of the pangolin. And this is a close-up of the head region of the armadillo. But they're not quite the same. They've got there in different ways, and they're evolutionary or phylogenetically different organisms as well. So that is part of the assignment for this lab as well, to study up and see if you can figure out what are the differences between these two fascinating mammals.